but I wouldn't consider myself like interested in female sort of centered hobbies. I just don't enjoy. I just don't enjoy the competitive and very artificial like presentation of when you're in those social settings, and I don't feel like I can uphold a like fake persona for long enough to feel comfortable. And I know that some people do genuinely enjoy those activities, but as a male, I feel like I'm a little bit more obligated to also enjoy it, and I feel bad when I say that I don't want to.
I've dated quite a few non-binary people, and it's something that has been challenging for me as someone who has grown up in a society that's really gendered. Like I'm attracted to certain traits which are gendered, and sometimes fitting that on top of non-binary identification, I feel some guilt around.
To me, it's all about, more than anything else, it's a spectrum from femininity to masculinity, and I think I sit pretty bang in the center, to be honest, of that beautiful big spectrum.
I think it would be more fair because everybody would be existing on a more equal level. If there would be as much hierarchy, because gender would be non-binary and fluid, so it wouldn't matter what you identify as, everyone would be equal on that.
You wouldn't try to force people to be something that they aren't, or that they don't feel that they are. Even cis men and cis women, they, bark at their yogurts because they are not traditionally